Hello everybody, it's me again, Scottish Maker. Today's video, it's not really a normal video, it's an unboxing of my new bandsaw, the Scheppach something, I don't remember the rest. I'll put a link to it in the description. Scheppach is a German company who make power tools. It's the best reliable one I could find, great guarantee. Sort of simple to set up, most of the parts are missing in the box, so I just put on the parts that look necessary, the rest is left out. I'm just unboxing the first little bit here. You'll see this at the end of the video if you see a little test it. Here we can see the bandsaw cutting some scrap wood. I had a little test after I set it up just before, see if it worked. It does. It cuts pretty good. This is my first time using a bandsaw. Well, I used one a couple of years ago, but I wasn't that good with it. Still not, but I'll get better at it. I'll be making some crazy things out of wood and some other stuff. I do have a lathe, but when we get that up and running, we'll be making table legs and other cool stuff. So I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, do what you want. And yeah, goodbye.